Batch nodes and techniques together let you run reusable techniques across entire batches of assets in parallel. Package a campaign style once, then apply it across entire sets of images, products, or frames in a single workflow. All you need for a full editorial campaign is a single batch node and a reusable technique. Let's take a look at some examples. Let's start with a custom fashion workflow. Here we have a workflow where any garment image can be combined with any model image to generate a studio fashion shot. Once the workflow is complete, we can package it into a reusable technique using Technique Builder. Now, instead of rebuilding the workflow for every product, we can connect an entire inventory of garments into a batch node and run them all through the same technique at once. Then we can input a model image and generate a complete series of outputs showing the same model wearing every garment from the batch. Because the workflow is reusable, we can quickly swap in different models while maintaining the same lighting, framing, styling, and creative direction across every image. This makes it easy to scale fashion and e-commerce workflows across large inventories of products while keeping outputs visually consistent. Let's look at another example. Here we're importing a series of products and connecting them into a single batch node. We can then connect the batch directly into a reusable background styling technique. This technique contains the visual direction for the final images, including lighting, composition, shadows, reflections, and background treatment. The new background technique lets you generate consistent campaign-ready imagery across large sets of products all at once. Instead of rebuilding the same workflow for every image, Batch Plus Techniques applies the same creative direction across the entire batch in a single run. This makes it easy to scale branded content while maintaining a cohesive visual language across every output. Batch nodes paired with techniques can also be used to build full editorial campaigns at scale. In this example, we're taking a series of model try-on images and applying a reusable campaign-style technique across the entire batch. The technique packages the creative direction for the campaign, including mood, lighting, color grading, framing, and overall art direction. First, package the campaign workflow into a reusable technique using Technique Builder. Then connect your series of campaign images into a batch node and send the batch directly into the technique. Once the workflow runs, every image in the batch is transformed using the same visual direction and styling system. This makes it easy to build cohesive editorial campaigns across large sets of assets while maintaining a fully consistent creative direction across every output. Batch nodes and techniques makes it easy to scale creative workflows across product catalogs, fashion campaigns, and branded content pipelines. Reusable creative direction can now scale across entire campaigns in a single workflow. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.